I go to Martin Luther King and get some tater chips and stuff like that.
Okay.
Oh, sister, that's where our four stay in Dartmouth.
In Arlington. What are their names?
Cherie, Felisa, Monsieur, and Abby.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much. So today is December 31st and I am in Dallas, and I have a few goodies that I'll be giving out to a few persons I see on the street here. So I have, like, I don't know if it was the best option to get those, but I have like macaroni and cheese, rice, beans, corns. I have some little snacks. I also have some little juice here as well. And what else did I get? I got some toiletries. I did get some tacos, some tin items, and I put them in some bags. And then I just have some goodies here that I'll be definitely issuing out. So I started issuing out some earlier while I was coming down, and now I am in this little location. I see 4 persons, so I'm gonna go ahead and give out 4 bags to them. Where they're gonna cook it, that part I never really think about that well, but I know a lot of them, they have like place that they meet up, and like some shelters. I don't know if they're able to cook there, but if so, I just have to make sure the next time I'm gonna do my little packages, it's gonna be more of like tin items and things like that that I can use to just eat as on the road here or wherever they're staying. But this is the start of something new for me, and as I go along, I will go ahead and feature them on the channel. We'll try to see who can come on and talk a little. So just in case, if you have anything can help them with, then I would really appreciate you reaching out to me by the number that is on the channel. All right. Until then, just thank you so much for everything that you've been doing. And remember, it's 2024, the ending of 2024. 2025, here we come. And we're coming out, just to continue with, supporting others and helping others along the way. All right, so I'm gonna go outside and just reach out to one of those persons and see what's going on with them. All right, I did spoke with a gentleman who is homeless. He said that there were some issues with his social security check. It got messed up, and so that's how we ended up on the road. So he just wants to get back his things. Basically, he just wants to get back his social security card, so he can get his benefits going. He wants to get back his IDs and all of those things, get in contact with his relatives. He has some relatives or children who are in Boston, he says, some family members in Arlington. So if you know him, or if you know of anybody related to him, then that is something that would be really appreciated. So yeah.
Well, got homeless.
Uh-huh.
Homeless, yeah.
What was happening? What were you doing before you become homeless?
Well, there's some at a place, and my cheek got messed up.
Your teeth?
Check, and that's how I ended up here.
Your check got messed up?
Yeah, security check.
Oh, your social security check. Okay. But what kind of work were you doing before?
I was working at their money.
Huh?
Their money.
Dell Money?
Yeah,
What they do over there?
to the warehouse.
Okay. So your check got messed up with your social security, and that's how you ended up being homeless?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have kids?
yeah, they grown though.
So where are they now?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't keep in contact with them?
Now somebody stole my billfold and my telephone and everything, so I don't know their number.
Oh, okay. So are they were they in Texas here with you?
Well, 2 of my sons was, one of them was in Boston, I think.
Boston?
Yeah,
What are their names, if you don't mind? Do you want to share their names?
yeah, and they Abaddon, Sherrod, and they,
Damon. Okay, what's their last name?
One of them named Harold, the other named Butler, the other name is Green.
Grill? Okay. Okay. And they're originally from Texas.
Yeah.
Okay, so if they reach out to me because they see you're okay with me, telling them where you're at,
Yes.
because you want to keep in contact with them.
Yeah.
Okay, where are you living right now?
I stay in that little shed right there.
Over that side?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the only jacket you're wearing for the winter. Do you have other clothing that you keep warm with? Because it's pretty warm, cold outside now. It's almost like 50 degrees.
All the house, really, somebody stole all my stuff.
They stole all your things? Okay, so in terms of food,
I go to Martin Luther King and get some tater chips and stuff like that.
okay. So are you currently on any medications or anything? No. So what is it that you need persons to help you with right now? What is it that you think you can get that will help you to get back into, probably helping out yourself a little bit?
Well, I need to get all my identification back, Social Security card, everything fucked me. Get down there, hope they get it.
Huh?
I'm depressed.
You're depressed? So you get one more beer? Who are you to him? What's your relationship to him? Okay.
You're free.
A friend? Okay, nice. It's always nice to have friends around to help you. Okay. So apart from the clothes you're wearing now, is this the only clothes you have in your possession? Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you say you live over that little trailer there?
Yeah, you stay in there.
You stay in there, so you alone stay over there?
Yeah.
You stay by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what size shoes you wear? 11? Oh, okay. That's fine. All right. Well, I'm gonna put it up on YouTube, and if anybody reaches out, is this a place I can come and see you? Just in case anybody donate any little food item, clothing.
Yes, this is where I'll be at.
You'll be at this side.
Well, I know they supposed to be moving that thing now, so I don't know where to go.
Mm-hmm. So tell me a little bit more about your family, though. Were you married before?
Yes.
What happened with your wife?
We were married 22 years. She left.
Mm-hmm. One thing that you really want right now is for you to get in contact with your kids, your children.
Yeah, my sister now.
Where's your sister?
They stay in Arlington.
Arlington?
Yeah, I got 4 sisters. That's where all 4 of them stay in Arlington.
In Arlington. What are their names?
Cherie, Felicia, Marcia, and Abby.
Okay. What's their last name? What's your last name, by the way?
But my last name is Butler. They done been married, so they got different.
They got
names.
okay. When was the last time you saw them?
I black.
When was the last time you saw them?
Been a long time.
Over 10 years?
He been that long. About 8.
8 years? Okay. And when was the last time you saw your kids?
About 8 too.
8 years?
When my daddy died,
Okay.
I seen him at the funeral.
Okay. And you haven't seen them since? Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to get the bag from the car and I'm going to give you something. And I know it's not much, but you can still go ahead and cook something. When I do get some more things, I'll definitely come back and see you another month. Okay?
Okay.
And then we'll try to see how we can get your social security and everything sorted out.
Okay.
All right.
I appreciate it. Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll just get some information from you and then we'll try to see how we can help you with that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, he's broke, but I got this. That's why I got up on this thing.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So,
I need one.
so you need another chair. Where did you get this one from in the beginning?
Well, my daddy died, and he was on this, and my sister gave it to me.
Well, this is wheelchair.
Yeah.
8 years. Okay, yeah. It's time to get an upgrade on one. So we'll try to see if we can get you a wheelchair. We'll get you some things to keep you warm because you know the winter just started.
You get identification, I need everything.
Uh huh. So he was just sharing some additional things that I didn't want to post on the YouTube here just for privacy's sake. All right, but remember him. All right, then let me go and get the bag and then from there, okay? So I think I have about 6 more bags that I definitely want to give out today to a few persons, and then from there was one guy that was under a bridge. I wanted to talk with him, but then there was a lot of traffic and there wasn't anywhere for me to pull over properly, so I ended up leaving. So I just gave him the bag and just go. I don't know, sometimes it's very difficult for us to kind of help, persons, especially when we know that they have resources at their fingertip that, they can benefit from. But, if you're here and watching the video and you feel the need to reach out to me because you think you can assist with something, whether it be a clothing, whatever it is, because I know he was asking for, probably like some extra jacket, because based on where he lives currently, he's squatting there. Yeah, it's squatter's land. So that's it for him right now. It's too cold. All right, so I will definitely see you in the next video. Just go ahead and watch the clippings, and then from there, as I say, I'll put the information down below, and I'll try to find him the next time I'm in the area, or next month. I'll try to bring him some items.